Namaskar, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan, mentor of AstroDevam.com and founder of the powerful concept of Logo Shastra. You must have heard it. Today I am going to show you something that looks small but speaks very loudly. Two different companies, two different industries, two different countries of origin. One, Dev, once a giant name in automobiles. The other, Vardhaman Estates and Developers, connected with real estate projects in Greater Noida, including Vardhaman, I Valley, and many more. But when we look at their logos through the lens of Logo Shastra, a striking similarity appears. Look carefully at the central vertical figure. In both logos, there is a sharp rising vertical form, almost like a pillar, a spike, or a central force trying to rise upward. At first glance, a common person may say, "This is just design." But Logo Shastra says a logo is never just a design. A logo is the energetic signature of an organization. It silently affects perception, decision making, leadership energy, stability, money flow, and long term destiny. It is the genetic code of the organization. Now see the coincidence, or perhaps the pattern. Dev had a huge presence in Greater Noida. Its plant became a major industrial story, but later the company collapsed globally. They had adopted the logo on a screen in 1994 and immediately their downturn started. Dev Group went bankrupt in 1999 and its Indian assets also went through years of uncertainty, sell dues and auction related issues. On the other side, Vardhaman Estates and Developers also became connected with Greater Noida. Its project Vardhaman ILE, located in Nalipad 3, became a matter of concern for many buyers. Currently, the company has interned CIRP under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Its other projects are also under the cloud. Interestingly, I had sensed the issue in the Vardhaman logo at a very initial stage and offered my Vastu and logo designing services to the promoters with guaranteed results. Yes, but somehow we couldn't came on the same page. So the question is, can a logo show the hidden direction of a company? According to Logo Shastra, yes, a logo is not merely a visual mark. It is the yantra of business energy. When the central form is too sharp, too split, too imbalanced or unsupported, it may create the energy of pressure, conflict, incomplete rise, legal hurdles, unstable foundations, blocked growth and sudden fall after expansion. In both these logos, the central vertical form appears powerful, but it is also isolated. It rises, but it does not look fully grounded. It attracts attention, but it also creates tension. This is where Logo Shastra, created by me, becomes important. A beautiful logo may still be energetically wrong. A famous logo may still carry an internal imbalance. A professionally designed logo may still invite struggle, death, dispute, or collapse. Logo Shastra studies the hidden language of lines, shapes, color, direction, geometry, spacing, symbols, and vibration. In Dev's case, the brand rose very high, expanded aggressively, and then collapsed under massive financial pressure. In Vardhaman's case, the real estate promise rose high, but projects and buyers faced uncertainty, delay, and insolvency proceedings. Different stories, similar energetic warning. This is why I always say, before you finalize a logo, don't only ask, is it looking good? Ask, is it working well? Ask, is it aligned with growth? Ask, is it supporting the founder, the business, the customers, and the future? Logo Shastra has already shown its strength in many brand studies. Zomato, Fitchi, Byju's, Boda PS, CI Institute, and many more. A logo can become a silent growth engine, or it can become a silent leak in the destiny of the organization. The Dev and Vardhaman case is not just a comparison of two designs, it is a warning for every entrepreneur, builder, industrialist, startup founder, and corporate leader. Your logo is your first energy contract with the universe. If the logo is disturbed, the business may remain disturbed. If the logo is balanced, the brand receives support, recognition, trust, and prosperity. So before you print your logo on boards, websites, cars, buildings, brochures, and legal documents, get it checked. Because in business, what you see becomes what you attract. I am Achar Kalki Krishnan. This is Logo Shastra. And remember, a powerful logo can change the destiny of a business. For Logosastra consultation, you may visit our website astrodevam.com and logosastra.com. Subscribe for more powerful brand energy analysis. And at the last, very important warning, alert. Many people, many experts, many consultants, astrologers, Vastu consultants are claiming that they have been authorized to design logo under the brand name Logosastra. Don't believe them. Don't believe them. I am the founder of Logosastra, creator of the concept, and we have not authorized any other organization or person to use our brand. Believe me. Don't fall in the trap. Namaskar again.